say that the last 2 years have been full of change would be such an understatement. I don't think I can even say that, but life is full of change. The last 2 years have been full of change. Our world is just full of change right now. In my own personal life, I made a big change, moving my family from Reno back to Kansas City, and welcome to the new studio. We are here in the Midwest again, and we're really happy to be back. On top of that, technology is changing, and it feels like every week, every 2 weeks, every month, technology is drastically changing. That includes everything from computers to, of course, cameras. A great change that has come about from SmallRig, a company we all know and we all love. They have created another brand called Simorr that specializes in camera peripherals, specifically microphones, on-camera microphones, lav microphones, on-camera LED lights, and a few other essentials at a budget price. Now, what they've done is something pretty awesome. They have basically taken all of the extra features out. So anything like, for instance, on these microphones, there's no low pass filter. There's no pad option. It's just a mic that you plug in and you hit record. But because it's so simple, they're able to keep the cost down while still creating quality. And like I said, it's coming from SmallRig. We all know SmallRig. We all love SmallRig. We all have products from SmallRig. I'm guessing most of you do. I certainly do. With the announcement of all of their new Simorr line of mics, the Wave S1, the L1, the L3, the on-camera, and the two lav mics, which go into your lightning connector or straight into your camera with the 3.5 millimeter. For around $100, you could get all three of these microphones and have an incredible setup and know that you're getting quality. I've always liked SmallRig. I've loved their equipment. I actually was able to test out the Simorr Wave U1. I'll put a link up here to that. If you haven't seen that, check that out. It's their USB computer mic, and you're gonna love it. For about $45, that thing is awesome. As well as the S1 on-camera mic. Let's go to that audio real quick. I do apologize, this room I don't have curtains or anything up yet, so you're getting a lot of room reverb, but this mic is really picking up the audio well. And another nice feature about this thing is it's passive, meaning you don't need a battery. So if you're out in the field and you run out of batteries, no big deal. This thing's still gonna work. It's gonna work well. Comes with two really nice windscreens and of course a coiled cable going into your camera. Really great setup. The next we have the L1, this is the L3 actually, which is the lightning connector I'm going into my phone. The L1 is the 3.5 millimeter that goes straight into your camera, or something like the Rode Wireless Go. You plug that in there, you have a nice lapel mic with your wireless setup. So three really great options for the field, as well as their Wave U1, which is great for in-home narration, voiceover work as well. If you are looking for quality microphones on a budget, as most of us these days are with the market, the way the economy is currently, we're all looking for budget gear. Simorr has stepped in to fill that hole, and you will not. And I am pretty sure that you won't be disappointed with any of these microphones, especially given the price tag. Like I said, something I just love about them is you plug them in, hit record, and you're good to go. You're ready to go, and you can trust that you're getting quality. If you're a professional, if you're a wedding videographer, if you're a vlogger, a YouTube content creator, whatever it is you do, if you have a need for audio, you need to check out these Simorr microphones. I'll put links to all of this gear down below so that you can check that out. Thank you for using those links. If you do, that really helps me out. Also, if you like this channel, you like this video, like my content, please like, subscribe, and comment, and give me your feedback. If you bought these things, let me know what you think about it. I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.